Hey, hello again. Oh yeah, we'll try some of this tonight. What I did is regular razor blade, yeah? And this razor blade, there we go, kind of focus in there. So this razor blade is just a regular razor blade. And what I do is I turn this razor blade into scrapers. Easy to control, easy to move, and plus you can buy a big box of these, yeah? So that's a cool thing. So what I did is I put a bevel edge on here so I can scrape. So as you can see, the pile of the scraping here. And that's only from beveling the razor blade. So I'll show you how to do that. So we got this, yeah, razor blade, brand new. Oh, let me get that, decline that. That's my wife, it's Pauhana. So what it is the point is on the tip of this, yeah? So you can see is how sharp it is. It's on the tip. So what we want to do is bevel that tip and bend that tip around. So that way it's going to cause a scraper. So how I do that is I start off, I think it's a 15-degree regular razor blades. And from that, all I'm using is a screwdriver. Yeah, just the post of it. And then what I want to do is just bring it around. And once I get them around, what I did now is on this side I form my lip. So now I can just scrape. There we go. Okay, tell mom drive safe when she come. So, yeah.
Hello? I'm coming.
Okay. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to clean out in here. So over here I got some glue in this area. So I cleaned off this area up here. I don't know if you can see it, but right in here I cleaned it off. So now all I want to do is continue cleaning around here. Yeah. So let's take a look at them. This is what we have, gang. So it's an armrest. Yeah, here's the armrest. And also on this side, I put in a recess cutaway. So this is actually what you call a recess cutaway here. And I don't know if you can see the bevel, but here's the bevel on this cutaway. I mean, on this armrest. Yeah. And from there, I put my top piece in. When I put my top piece in, I put a purfling inside for dress them up. And whatever I use for the binding on going around, I'll have it on here on the bevel armrest, and I'll have it here on the recess cut. The recess cutaway. I'll put it in here. So probably gonna be a curly coil, and probably on either white or on black. But I'm thinking of using this spruce top. Yeah. So we call this a spruce top. Sitka spruce, all the way from Alaska. And if you can see inside, you can see some details in the wood. Look like scratches. And actually what that is bear claw scratches. Yeah, it's in the wood. And this wood been curing for a long time, so now it's about time for turn it into an instrument. But other than that, I just wanted to try the GoPro because sooner we'll be coming with more live videos and more shop tips, and especially when we stay working on some of the woods and stuff, especially the tops. Any ideas, any suggestions, anything you want to know? And that's what kind of got me into this bevel armrest, so that way I can kind of break the monotony of just making the same old instruments over and over and over and over again. So as you can see, like on the wall, let's see if we can get that up there on the wall. And then I got some here, just finishing up. Finish those up. This is our instrument grade material up on the top. And we just cut some more. And this is some more instrument ebony. This is all our ebony, what we use for our fretboard. And this is all curly stuff up here. Mango. Little bit of the mango I never cut yet, but that's curly stuff. Mango, curly core, all the way through. And that's what we got up here again. Then for our students, for just a plain Jane regular ukuleles, this is the students things up here. So if you're interested in taking a class, which runs about 8 weekends, you're more than welcome to come down to the shop and take a look at some of the students' instruments that they've been working on and see if you're up to building your own. It's not an easy process, but it's a steady process, and you can't mess it up. I'll be here, because if you mess it up, that means I messed you up. And come by, check it out. But other than that, gang, that's how you bevel or you make a scraper out of a razor blade. Simple for use, fits right in your hand. And like I said, for scrape wise, as you can see, my table got how many of glues, but so for cleaning up, it's a real good use. And you can use that pretty much on anything that you need scraping. And the best thing about it, you don't have to do too much sanding after you pulse scrape. So that's the best thing about it. But it's 8 o'clock at night, and we're in about 7 minutes in this. So I'll share it on top of the ukulele page, the Baitarashi page. And let's see, maybe I can show you something, how it goes, how it works. So let's see if I can do this. If I can do this. So what we do, what we have here, just as simple, as you can see, a little bit shiny here. Yeah. A little bit shiny on here. But all you do is scrape, get them nice and smooth. And that's what I'm going to use for clean up the glue. Clean out anything I need to do, especially back here. As you can see, I got that area clean. Now I just got to clean up this area. And they usually say, well, nobody's going to see in there. I will. And if I'm building it and I know it's there, it irritates me. So I'll fix that. And you guys have a good evening, gang. And I'll catch you guys later. Aloha for now. Oyo, malama pono, and all that good stuff. And like I said again, if you're interested in coming down into the shop, check out the process of what we do or how we make ukuleles. And you're willing, not willing, but you're interested in taking the classes, please come down, check it out. We got nothing new to hide over here. Actually, let me show you, before we go, before I say my goodbyes, this is some of the students' ones. Brother Gabby, Hassel, double hole, yeah.